Danny's swimming.
And there he is. Babo!
Again, we left early. Emma's reading again. Luca is sleeping and Cosimo is...
Hello!
So this is the yogurt place. We're gonna go buy this yogurt that apparently is very good.
It's the
goat one.
yogurt. Yes.
Okay, that's what we wanted.
Yeah, yes. 2 kilos.
So we found the place, which is this one, where we bought the goat yogurt.
We got our mission, 2 kilos.
2 kilos of goat yogurt.
Silly fake.
And then while we were there, we also got a ball of butter because it's so good here.
And he gifted us to
Iran. I think this is a very successful day.
We found the ATM. We found the yogurt place.
Now we have to just go see something. Tell us, how is it?
It's really good. Try, Emma. It's your turn. we just go big in this family.
Yes,
you know?
because we're too many. So we are still on the road, still direction GöbekliTepe whenever we get there. And in the meantime, we keep on stopping in different places.
We keep seeing castles.
Yeah, now we find Roman ruins and castles.
A lot of castles.
They're all broken up.
Castles.
And
Castles.
so now what are we going to see, Emma, today?
Castle.
But this is cool because,
It's on the water.
yeah, so I'm not sure if we can get to it. But maybe
we could ride on Cosie's back. Can you take our boat and take us there? Oh, but you'll generally be able to hold all 5 of us.
So they say that you can swim there, or you can take one of those little boats.
Oh, we'll swim. Yeah.
But we don't know.
Especially with the backpack.
It's clearly still low season, so we don't know if there's going to be any boats or can't swim there. It's too
We'll
cold.
just stare at it.
But we have a drone, so the drone might just fly over it for us.
Oh.
Anyway, this is our stop for today.
So we passed by in front of this restaurant. We were walking. We actually drove first, and Mommy, she was sweating in the
Kind of
camper van.
scary.
Because I drive everywhere. Every time she's surprised where I can drive, where with the big camper van.
That went super fast. That was awesome.
So anyway, we decided to park the car and walk.
The car,
The
yeah.
camper, anyway.
The tricycle.
I mean, for me, it's a camper.
Yeah,
It's a
whatever.
small car. And the people that just stop us say, "Oh, we're gonna follow you on Instagram." Okay, let's take a picture all together.
We're in Kizkalesi and we're going to see this castle. Let's see if we can get a
We
better
have to jump
view.
in the water.
Or maybe the drone does. And we found the castle. The meaning of the name is Maiden Castle.
So we could go there.
And it's sitting 150 meters from the sea, so you could technically swim there.
Okay, so today we're visiting a castle. And wait up, this is my co-star, Cosmo Di Sandy. Oh, yay! I know I'm so famous that you can. He's not that famous anyway. Anyway, today we're gonna be fine. I'm not gonna be in this video then. Today we're gonna be visiting that castle right over there. That's in the water that you can't reach right now. So there's a boat apparently that takes you there, or you can go on that pedalo, or there's that, or you can swim there, or there's that long walkway that you would think you could just walk across the water, but maybe you can't walk across the water. But if you could, that'd be very cool, wouldn't it be? Very co-star Cosmo Di Santi. Blink once if I'm talking too fast, and blink twice if I'm not. I can't see you anyway. We have to find a way to get there, but if there's no way to get there, what will we do? Bum bum bum! What do you think?
I don't think of anything.
Luca is lingering in the back of the line. Mom and Dad are talking in Italian. Cozy, my co-star.
Albatross, because I'm an albatross.
We'll see if we make it on that boat, I guess. I'm back. So, in case you did not hear me before, we're going to that castle, or at least they're trying to. And although there's that castle over there, which...
We should build this all the way to the castle.
Yep, that would have been much
Did
easier.
you see that one? We should go to that one, Emma. You love castles. You're a princess. That's for you.
Anyway, there's the pedals right there. There's a boat over there, but we're not even trying to show who to ask how to get over there. But Mom's right. It would have been a lot smarter if you just put this little rocky walkway thingy all the way to the end. And now, time lapse. And Droney is landing. Bum bum bum.
Drone's not waterproof, right?
Droney's landed. Now switch to the drone scene.
Oh wow, this is a giant jellyfish, but it's not good to touch. It's like, well, electric, I guess. Then,
Don't touch it.
Mom, I'm just getting a little closer.
So as you can see, the water here is a lot warmer than other water. Dad is thinking about going in, but he's untired short. So we're just walking around in the water. What do you think, Luca?
That?
Huh? Huh? Mom's taking pictures. Cosie's standing there.
He doesn't have any jokes today.
No, I don't.
What about Cosimo's joke corner?
Cosimo's joke corner.
Oh, well, we're not in a corner, so I don't have any jokes.
My turn now. Emma's joke corner in the middle of nowhere for information. Okay. Let me see. Joke. What's a joke? What a joke. Aha! What do you call a rock that's not a rock? Wait, what do you call a rock that's not a rock? I have no idea!
So these are Luca's wet clothes. Yes, because Luca was walking in the water and he fell in. So, as a result, this is Luca now. Playing in the water.
I mean, no, hey, YouTube. I need you to tell Instagram, since you guys are friends, right? That Luca is a boy. And you know why? I can show you. 3, 2, 1.
Now, Mas is trying to decide whether he wants to do this challenge of swimming to the castle. Mas, will you do this for us?
Yes, I will.
Show all our friends that you can do it.
Yes,
Okay. So why are you playing with your daughter right now?
because she likes it.
You're distracting him from his focus, which is swimming to that castle over there.
Now you put him on the challenge, Mom.
Now you gotta go.
Now I have to do it.
So now, Mas is gonna go swimming to the castle, but he won't have the GoPro with him
No GoPro!
Castle,
because he has to swim. So we're gonna just
No, he can have the GoPro. He has pockets.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid.
then go. Why are you
Okay,
still
let's
here?
go.
I want to grab onto his legs, and that actually brings me to the castle.
You're still thinking.
Oh, come on. Sarah, stop putting me on the spot.
Is he gonna go, or is he just gonna go get a coffee with me? We don't have a set plan when we do things. And these cool things happen, like he wants to go in the water, but he doesn't know if he wants to go. And we have nothing else to do anyway, so might as well. Mas is going to go swimming to the castle. He decided that he's done waiting. It's not that cold. And so he's going to that castle.
Ow, ow, ow. Guys, just so you know, I'm doing this for you because I'm walking barefoot. Ow, ow. Because I forgot to get my flip-flops.
he's still walking, so for now he doesn't need to swim.
Deep. I mean, not deep. It's shallow.
Great, not to pass this part.
Oh, and he jumped in! And he's swimming.
There he goes. And I, of course, have to video him. How? Oh. Hey, how?
Cosimo went there, so he's closer to film him.
And there he is. Babo! 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 Say hi! As you see, now he's going to the castle. And now I am going back because I'm not going to stay here.
This is definitely something we did not plan, and it's so much cooler than anything we could have planned for. So our days are always like this. Kind of have a rough idea what we want to do, and then we go from there.
Dun 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 dun. Ow 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 ow. Ow, 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 yeah, yeah, dun, dun, ha, 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 dun, dun, doopy, doopy, dun, dun, doopy, doopa, da, dun, dun, doopy, doo, da, da, dum, dum, ooh, ba, da, 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 yeah! Ooh, ow, ow, ooh, ow, ooh, ow! Dun, dun, yeah! Dun, dun, da. Ooh, I made it back. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Bye. What? Luca, say bye!
Bye! And I'm sinking in the sand.
He's hard to see, but it looks like he's getting really close now. The water is not very calm today. I'm pretty sure it's not as easy as it feels just by looking at him. He's getting out of the water now. You can barely see him.
He's right there, that little blob.
He made it. We are not sure what he's doing right now. Maybe he's just resting.
He's waving! Oh, he stopped waving. Oh, he's sitting on a rock now.
Okay, Mas is coming back. He's again a little dot swimming. Can you see him? Here he is. He's tired, backstroking his way back. And now he can stand up and walk.
So Dad, how did it go?
Wow, it was really tiring, but it was really cool. I had trouble when I got there to go up. I was actually crawling because there was a big rock. I actually cut a little bit of my foot because I was bare feet.
Are you happy you did it?
But it was cool, yes, I'm really happy. I make it. Thank you for waiting for me, guys.
Of course.
I love you.
Yeah.
I made it.
He wanted to do it, and he did it. And now you're really salty.
Bye. Oops. See, Instagram, he's a boy, not a girl. That's what happens to children like Luca. They have to get dressed.
What about children like Cosimo?
I never get dressed. Luca, you look so cool. Show me, do like this. Show me your muscles. No, wait, Luca. Actually, don't show me those muscles because they're not going to be. Mama, just put fake muscles on him. Unless if he wants to show me them and see how strong they are. Oh.
Poor channel, subscribe channel, bye-bye. Poor channel, subscribe channel, bye-bye.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And be sure to put like the video and put the giant bell thingy that rings, ding, ding, ding. And if you subscribe, you get to see amazing videos every week. It'll be super duper cool. Okay, bye. See you later. Bye.